Look at the rust on this pivot point. It barely moves.
As you can see, we've focused on preserving the original patina while ensuring everything is mechanically sound.
She's got a story to tell, this one. The original paint, mostly, and the engine purrs like new, despite the miles.
Steady now. Bring the wheel slightly to the left. Perfect alignment. Keep pushing slowly. All right, keep it steady. Slow now, watch the rust on the floor. Let's get the chocks ready.
It's very satisfying. The leather feels much better now.
All right, bring it down very slowly. Hold it right there. Now gently onto the pads.
Pins are out. Steady lift.
Holding steady. Moving clear.
All right, lift slowly on 3.
Got it. Watch the edges.
Clear on this side.
Clear on this side.
Ready to lift? Slowly now.
Clear.
Mind the harness right here. Starting the lift now, very slow.
Clear on the front. Keep coming up evenly.
Back is steady. Watch the fender.
Valve cover is clear. Bolts secured in tray 3. Chassis prep looks good to go.
Nice and smooth now, making sure all the pitting is gone. Looks perfect from here.
Try rotating it counterclockwise slowly.
Okay, I'm getting some movement now.
The oil is working. Look at the rust crumbling.
Here is the next clip.
Yep.
Aligning it now.
Perfect run along the firewall.
Steady, watch the dowels.
Clear on this side.
Gasket aligned, lower slowly. Confirmed, it's seated. 60 foot-pounds confirmed.
Sequence looks good, keep going.
First coat going on smooth. How does the overlap look from your angle?
Consistent, no dry spots on the edges.
The fan pattern is holding perfectly.
Make sure the edge stays wet there.
Got it. Misting now.
Looking smooth. That 320 grit is working well.
The primer coverage here is flawless. Panel gap is within tolerance. I'll note the measurement. Rear quarter panel is smooth, no ripples detected.
Make sure the seal is tight around the rubber.
Got it. How's the door looking?
Just finishing up the rear quarter now.
The mix looks perfect. W123 baby blue.
Yes, the swatch confirms it. Ready to spray.
He is maintaining excellent overlap. Noted. The timing on this coat is consistent with the first. Surface temperature is exactly 45 Celsius. The finish is flawless. Keep the cycle going. Confirmed. 10 more minutes on the lamps.
Looks good. Make sure you don't cut through on the body line.
The 1500 grit is cutting smoothly.
Slow down just a little on that section, let the compound work.
Okay, checking the reflection here.
Slow and steady now, we are almost there.
The reflection is absolutely flawless now. Look at the depth.
Just making sure all the residue is clear.
It's perfectly flush.
The clips are secure down here.
Looks factory new.
Main harness aligned and connected.
Verified. Next connector in sequence.
Coolant hose installed and clamped.
We are almost finished with this section. Looks perfect, very even coverage.
Aligning the top edge now.
Bottom clips are seated flush.
Okay.
Ready for the wiring harness.
That's seated nicely.
The gap is perfect.
Running the seal tool now.
Threads look good. Can I get the torque wrench?
Here you go, looks perfect.
Nice and secure. Good job, both of you.
Okay, it's seated.
I've got the bottom screw started.
Ready for the harness connection now.
Mirror finish achieved on this section.
Confirmed. No spots visible under the LED.
Looks good back here too. We are ready for the next panel.
Slow circular motions, making sure the layer is even. The shine is already incredible.
After days of restoration, the car looked brand new again.
Subscribe for more satisfying restorations.